Meet the TXC7111 conventional heat detector, a robust solution for reliable temperature-based fire detection in conventional alarm systems. Engineered for durability and simplicity, the TXC7111 delivers steadfast performance where rapid heat rise is the primary risk, making it the ideal safeguard for kitchens, boiler rooms, garages, and industrial workshops. Key features include TV certified for assured safety and performance, exceptionally low power consumption with ultra-low standby current, easy maintenance with a fully sealed PCB board, simple to-wire, non-polarized installation, designed to operate flawlessly from -10 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius in environments with up to 95% relative humidity, non-condensing. The TXC7111 is built to perform in tough conditions. Simple, rugged, and ready to deploy, the TXC7111 conventional heat detector is the dependable choice for solid, cost-effective thermal fire protection in conventional systems.